A chilly start with sunny spells today, but the outlook turns more unsettled as we head through the weekend and last into next week. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up. Good morning, Britain.
Friday, 24,
doesn't it? It's been dry, It's been settled, it's been warm. But one thing you may not think about is how it's affecting the waters around the UK. So yesterday, the Met Office was saying we're now in a marine heatwave across the UK because of our settled conditions, because of this area of high pressure sitting across the UK, bringing light winds, sunshine, and with that, light waves as well. So this is the chart that we have. Sea temperatures around the UK are at least 1 to 2 degrees above average. So yes, inland it's brought us record sunshine, record temperatures around the coast too, but that will change because this weekend, the high pressure that's dominated for so long, replaced by low pressure. Let's remind ourselves what that does. It's been a while. It brings cloud, it brings wind, and it brings rain. And the isobars, the pressure lines close together, showing it's set to turn windier this weekend. Hopefully not, but no need for Carl to zoom in to check. Now, weather-wise, so many people have been saying, what's it doing this weekend? Is it going to be nice and warm and sunny? The answer is no. It is all changed this weekend. High pressure has been dominating, and it might not feel like the best news, but we haven't seen rain for a long time. A boy do the gardens and the farmers need it to tumble. So this rain is a sign of things to come. So let's take a look at our 7-day outlook that takes us through the weekend and into the half-term holidays as well. We saw it across the north of the UK, first of all. So Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England. This is where our temperatures should be for the time of year. And they've been way above, but now they're sitting around about average for the next 7 days. Percentage chance of rainfall today is largely dry, but then we see that turning more unsettled. The low pressure allows the floodgates to move in through the weekend, bringing these spells of rain. Heavy showers around on Bank Holiday Monday. And then into next week is hit and miss as well with sunny spells and scattered showers. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Again, looking at our temperatures compared to where they should be for the time of year. Now, we've been way above average. Temperatures are sitting back closer to average now. And I think because it's been so warm so far this spring, for March, April and May, our temperatures will feel way below what they have been. So I think it'll feel distinctively chilly, particularly with some of those nighttime temperatures turning into a frost. And here's how it looks across the south of the UK with regards to our rainfall. Today, fine, dry. Make the very most of that because from tomorrow onwards, we see this wet and windy weather moving through. Not a washout by any means, but some much-needed rain for many of us. And it stays unsettled as we head through to next week as well. There's signs that high pressure builds back again to the end of next week. So if you have some outdoor plans for half-term, maybe save them for the end of next week. And it's a story of change, yes. High pressure has dominated for so long. I think we forget that there's any other kind of weather. High pressure keeps it settled. The isobars far apart, meaning that the winds are light. But through the next day, the high pressure retreats and low pressure's moving from the Atlantic. The westerly finally makes progress. We just saw the gorgeous sunshine then, which we've had a lot of lately, but that changes this weekend. Plenty of dry, fine, sunny weather for today, but it turns wet from the west later, and that is a sign of things to come for this weekend and for next week. Clear initially means it was chilly first thing, but already warming up nicely. In Scotland, England, Wales stick with the sunny spells and the light winds today, and temperatures a little above average into the low 20s. But into Northern Ireland, here comes the rain. The Atlantic weather fronts battle back, tumbling temperatures. And as we head through tonight, the whole band of rain spreads across the country. So a wet start to the day tomorrow. The rain clears, and then it's sunny spells and showers in the north and west, still warm in the far south. Here's a look at Sunday. Sunday, sunny spells and scattered showers, and cooler for all.